Yeah, Pickleback, instead of cutting over on car bomb, I'm just gonna ride the whole thing down. You alright, bud?
Yep.
Okay. Woo! Woo! Man, that thing G's you out. John, what the hell?
I did it again.
It's in his head now. It's in your head now.
Huh?
That's in your head now. What? You got to go through that and finish it. It's the tech section of Pickleback. Whew. It's Rocky and Rudy, that's for sure. What? Oh, you close aren't even on.
That wasn't in my head. It slowed me down. I slowed down.
It's in your. It's in your head. Oh. Whew. I put a foot down there. Oh. Man, it's windy. Up. Slow rider. Slow.